Hey guys, so my pitch slash proposal is on climate change awareness specifically, and and basically where I would like to see us go with raising awareness in Idaho first, but also nationally. So here's some data for you to kind of check out. In Idaho, roughly 50 to 51% of Republicans believe that global warming is actually happening, which is a percentage point higher than uh, the rest of the nation. I think it comes in at about 0.5% when you combine the two districts here. Conversely, and as expected, uh, in Idaho, in both of our districts, 84% of Democrats believe global warming is actually happening. Interesting data. Moving on from there, second part. This is a breakdown showing the amount of voters registered in Idaho, like how voters are registered. So 49% of Idaho's voters registered are, in fact, Republican, 32% Democrat. It's a big problem. We have a 17% disparity there we need to work on. And then we have a 19% group with no lean, right or left, possibly not even voting. I don't know for sure. Um, and then another really important piece of information here. This shows how we break down our energy consumption. So Idaho runs predominantly on hydro with 49.5%, and then a large portion still coming from coal, which we in fact do not mine or produce here in Idaho. It's all shipped in, which is a huge cost to bear, and on top of the ridiculous amounts of CO2 released into the atmosphere. And then we have wind and gas and solar uh, taking out another small percentage there, which we need to work on as well. So my feeling is basically we need to raise awareness and tackle this issue. I think it'd be a great topic for everyone to jump on, and there's multiple ways that we can go about it: social media, television, radio, etc. Contact with our representatives and politicians. So let me know what you think.